How to change the payment threshold on Google AdSense. Open Google and inside the search bar write Google AdSense. Enter the first result. Click on Get Started if you do not have an account. If you already have one, log in by clicking on Access. Once inside the account you will find yourself on the home page. In the left menu click on Payments and then on Payment Data. Here you will find your current balance and your latest transactions. Click here below on Manage Settings. Now next to Payment Calendar, click on the pencil to open the Edit menu. Inside this box enter the payment threshold you want. Remember that the minimum is €70. Click on Save at the bottom right to save the settings.